What I find different about working at Valiant TMS is the variety of the projects that our customers bring into us. We've had the ability to work on things from tunnel boring machines to leak testing, now the EV market with battery trays and with battery testing. And then there's all of the powertrain components. That's the majority of what our group had initially been focused on. My name is Janet Vecchione. I am in the manufacturing engineering group within Valiant TMS at the automation division. I'm the continuous improvement lead. I've been working in manufacturing since 1996 and at Valiant TMS since 1998. My day-to-day duties, they vary quite a bit. The core point of the manufacturing engineer is to consolidate and get everyone from all of the different departments together. So those days are quite fast-paced, and that's moving around, trying to track material, make sure that things are getting out of the warehouse on time. And the other aspect of what I do, my usual day-to-day, is going through one of either our continuous improvement projects or a sort of special assignment of setting up the weld inspection lab that we have and figuring out what equipment we need, what skill set people need, what the process is going to be for that test. I think the biggest misconceptions that women have about working in manufacturing is that it's dirty, that it's too hard a job, and that they're not really welcome. That's not the experience that I found. The best robot programmer that I know is a woman. The best welder that I know is a woman. And I've always found that everybody is looking for someone that can contribute their best to the team. They don't really care about gender. My team's culture, we're definitely something of a family. It's fun to work with a group that understands the challenges that you're facing each day, and everybody pitches in to help each other. My advice for someone that wants to start in manufacturing engineering is that it's a very diverse type of job, and it's going to bring you to places you never thought that you'd be looking into. So always find mentors that can point you in the direction of the information that you need, and really learn from everyone, from the engineers, from the skilled trades, the variety of different things that they have knowledge in, because they're really going to be your best resource in the work that you do each day. If it weren't for the people that I work with and what they're willing to share with me, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I hope that my role continues to develop towards ensuring the safety of our team members and provide the best type of buy-off criteria, and really teach people how they can influence how the machines work in the end and how they will provide our customer the best solution.